In this video, we will fix the issue where you have sufficient Google Play balance but you still cannot buy any subscription. Problem we are having is renewing the YouTube Premium subscription. As you can see, the balance is there but the payment is still declined. So the only solution to this is going directly to the YouTube app. Why this is happening is because if you don't have balance at the time of subscription renewal, Google considers it a violation, just like your credit card does not have balance at the time of payment. So just follow these steps and your subscription of the YouTube will be renewed.